Hey guys, it is Thursday midday and I wanted to pop in and say hello, see how your day's going. And I have a question for you. Who wants to join me? What are you doing Saturday at noon Eastern Standard Time? This Saturday. So that's January 28th. What are you doing? See, I'm offering this amazing workshop and I'm going to see if I can flip the screen. I don't think I can. So I am going to turn my computer around so you can see it. But check this out. So it's upside down and backwards. Healthy eating on a budget workshop. Why wouldn't you want to join me? Everyone's looking to eat healthier right now. Everyone is looking to save a little bit of money right now. So my question to you, what are you doing Saturday at noon Eastern Standard Time? This is an absolute free workshop. And during this workshop, we're going to talk about the structure of meal planning and what that means to you. We're going to go over the accommodating life and what that looks like to put it to the test in terms of your life, your day-to-day. We're going to help you create your own healthy eating on a budget plan and how to budget, how to save money, but most importantly, how to make it fun, how to make it easy, and how to make meal planning on a budget a habit. So take the next step. Check out the link in my bio. Why don't you sign up for it? I'd love to have you join me. We've got some amazing people doing this workshop, and this isn't the first time they're doing it. You see, I offer quarterly workshops absolutely free, and they are amazing. So this is the first one I'm offering for 2023. I would love to have you there. See, I know we're in an economy right now where we're looking to save money, we're looking to eat healthier. We want our cake and eat it too. And I'm going to show you the way. Okay, guys, check out the link in my bio. It'll be my link tree. You're going to want to choose healthy eating on a budget. And I will see you all on Saturday. If you like this, you know the drill. Go ahead and like and follow. And while you're in my link tree, take a look at my podcasts. Take a look at my free quizzes. I would love to chat with you. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah. Have an amazing day. I never showed you this. My coffee cup, New York. For those who knows the story. Do you know my New York story for this cup? All right, guys, that's it. There's your test for the day. If you know the story for my New York cup, and go ahead and populate it in the comments below, I'm going to do a giveaway. Not for the workshop, because you're all already invited to the workshop, and it's free. But you see this book, Design Your Life Your Way? It is an amazing resource for anybody that's doing this workshop or anything else. In this Getting Started guide, we've got meals, movement, mindset, and your relationship with money, aka stress. So I have categories for all of those things in this little book. It is amazing. It talks about why change is hard, talks about emotional eating, and all of these strategies I am going to give to the right person who knows why the New York coffee cup. Okay? If you want to buy that book, it's on Amazon. You can check out the link in my bio. One of my books is on there. I think it is the Getting Started Guide. Why is the New York coffee cup important to me? I did not share this today, but I have shared this in the past. What is it about this coffee cup that brings me joy today? Go ahead. Give me a response to enter to win. All right, guys. Love you. Have a great day. See you Saturday.